fellow gardeners. This afternoon I am taking a video. I've not made some progress in restarting my vegetable growing in half gallon plastic water bottles. Today is a holiday. It's called Journée Creole Day in my country. So if you hear a lot of music in the background, it's my neighbors down the road that's enjoying themselves. Yes, these are all of my right here. But if you look on top of it now, I have changed the strategy. I had a netting on it before, but now I have put some plastic because we are in the rainy season and they're just growing. I have put a whole line of plastic and make a frame and cover the dirty one. The dirt is on the outside. When it's going to rain, it's going to wash it out. I've covered them up. All my bottles. All of the peppers have grown. If you look, you will see that all of the peppers. I had 8 pepper containers. Some of them have 2 peppers seeds growing in them, and you can see they're growing nicely. I've also fertilized them, spray some fertilizer on them. So this is how I have done it. I've tied some pole to hold this side of the plastics. Now this plastic, this is taking care of the planet. These plastics are the plastic that I took from the shopkeeper that her chicken and her from the meat shop. Her chicken boxes are wrapped in. Instead of throwing it into the landfills, to the garbage, I am taking it from her and utilizing it, and also the boxes. Now you can see here that some of my beets have grown, and even some of my cabbage have grown also here. So it's just a few days, I think maybe a little over a week since I do it. Well, I still have space. I can add some other things, but my cucumber trees, all 3 of them have grown. This is one here, this is another one right here, and some of my it's not looking really good, but I sprayed them today. That's the kale. So a few of the kale have grown. I don't know if snails or slugs ate it up, but they have grown. And this is the other one, the other cucumber plant I planted in my apple bag. So it's a companion plant. Yes. So you can do that. You can use containers. You don't have to buy anything. You see, where you're throwing gallon containers or plastic containers that are huge, that are big enough to make for it to grow something. Your vegetable or your food to eat, whatever it is, carrots, whatever, you can take it and bring it at your home. Now, if you have space, that's something else. But when you don't have space like me, watch that. I am not my home, so I cannot plant in the ground. But I don't have space. My space is very limited. So farming in a small space can be challenging, very challenging. So you can see all the bags I have. I have here. So to maneuver between them is sometimes challenging. I have to be crawling between them. My pepper tree is getting very nice. It should soon bear. I'm waiting. So this is an update with my second chance on doing a vegetable garden or growing vegetables in plastic bottles instead of throwing it in the landfill. I am conserving the planet. I'm helping to do that. Now the last thing I'll show you is my composting bag. I have a composting bag right next to it. I put all my materials in there so that they can rot and I can apply it to my plants. So I'm encouraging you. It is very therapeutic also to be planting. It is economical. It is when you are in your garden. Some people may not like to be in dirt, but it is very economical and healthy to do that because you are eating what you have planted and you know what is applied on it. You know how it is grown and everything. So I'm encouraging you to do the same, the very same, and you will enjoy it. Now, I'm encouraging you also to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification bell so you can know when I upload another video. Have a good night.